channel. So real quick guys, let's go over some stuff we purchased for the front end of the car. As you guys know, we're working on the front end today, not under the hood. Here's my old jack here. It's kind of funny, don't have a lift, so this is the best that I can do. It's been through a couple coyote swaps, clutches, you name it. Definitely a lot of work has been done through this other auto part brand. So let's show you what we got for this front end. Alright, so here got a Carlisle 2-ton jack. So as you can see, a lot better handle, a lot lighter weight too. So look at that unit. Pretty nice piece. I saw it in the store and definitely wanted to get one. So it is 2-ton. Alright guys, I'll show you the main reason for buying this new Napa jack. So let's see, old and new. So alright, old jack. So that's as far as that one goes. And then as you can see, so you can tell the new jack is actually cut out for the car, the lower vehicle. So as you guys know from the thumbnail, try not to drop this on my foot. Kind of the bread and butter of the operation is these calipers. All right, so check these out. So these are your Scat Pack calipers. Now they don't come like this, they come in a flat black, and what I went ahead and did is sanded, painted, primed and painted these this yellow. It's close to Yellow Jacket, Dodge Yellow Jacket yellow. So alright guys, so I wanted to do that Brembo upgrade for a long time now, but kind of what's stirred me away is the amount of parts you need for it. So a normal caliper and rotor upgrade, you just need calipers and rotors, right? And pads. But this is what you need for this swap right here. Get this. I got some stainless steel brake lines. So I've had good luck with these on my old car. These are Stop Techs. I think I got them through Amazon. There's your part number right there. It should work well for the front of the kit. Again, I had my old car and little to no maintenance. I didn't have to worry about chafing or just old brake lines. It's a 20-year-old car, so this one is only 6 years old. So, but still worthwhile changing these out. Next up, PowerStop, CRK 4695 rotors, and pads. So I did not retape this box. That's how I get it on the island. I might have checked them at customs. It is super heavy. So shout out to jegs.com. You guys probably heard of them. Everywhere else wanted an arm and a leg to ship this. I think it's probably something like 60 pounds or so, maybe 70 pounds. But definitely Jegs hooked it up. I've used PowerStop before as well. There's your pads, some pins, brand new pins. FYI, these pins from Mopar are 40 bucks for the 4 set of them. So then you got your brake pads and your pins and clips. So let's check out these rotors. Here's your PowerStop Evolution brake rotors. So these are gonna be a pain to get out of the box. All right, one-piece brake rotors. So these are your PowerStop Evolution. These are coated. So Geomet 360, what that means. Probably just a ploy, but that's how big these rotors are compared to the stocks. So the torque calls for 50 foot-pounds and then another 90 degrees. So look at that bad rider. I mean, the next piece is definitely what kind of steered me away from this swap for a while. I will show you. Just from a price perspective, I try to do this as efficiently as possible. It's called a well-known auto dismantler in Ohio, and they wanted about the same price plus freight shipping for these pieces right here. So I went ahead and bought them new. I would have got them secondhand if I could have. So here you go. So as you see right here, SRT. These are your SRT front spindles. So Hellcats, Scat Packs, and SRT Chargers and Challengers have these. So I looked up all the parts, did a lot of research on them. The bearings and hub and all that should be the same. So this is nice because it comes with a brand new ball joint. I mean, it should. I mean, it's definitely some of my kids' college fund went towards this, but he doesn't need it. So I just want to say, guys and gals, we're about 280 subscribers now on the channel. Thanks for watching for sure. Keep it up, like, subscribe. Let's get back to it. Folks, got the old girl lifted off the ground, so let's go ahead and take this wheel off. So basically what I'm going to do is remove the spindle and the wheel bearing and the rotor and caliper. So let's do it. Alright guys, got the bathroom scale out here. We're going to weigh the 5.7 V6 rotor versus the 14.17 Scat Pack rotor. So let's go ahead and start with the stock rotor. So 21.8. This one's 27.0. So quite a bit difference. So you can see the Brembo calipers have this kind of bigger ears on the side of the wheel bearing. See, it's shorter. These little offset, more concave, if you will, right in here. You can see the Scat Pack wheel is actually rubbed, so you can kind of see where the tire kind of rubbed off some of the paint. So that's really what you're paying a small fortune for. Is looks like these ears. That's the big difference between the two. Here's your stock 5.7 SRT, or sorry, SXT, V6 spindle, and then the SRT spindles. So not a whole lot of research online about them. They're around the same price if you buy them new. You see, here's the part number for the right. Does not say SRT on it. And then you come over to the new one, SRT, and you can bolt the 6 piston Brembos and the 4 piston Brembos to this one. So other than that, looks like everything's the same. So I want to show you guys that before I assemble it. Alright, first I'm going to put the ball joint, the lower controller. And use a 6mm Allen to hold the center of the ball joint. 21mm wrench to tighten down the nut. Sorry guys, my GoPro data dumped some of the footage from the install, so it's pretty straightforward. Just got the caliper and rotor, and installs just like the factory components. What's going on, guys? We're out here at Kaneohe Bay. Best place to do an outro to me. See, it's a little overcast, but it is what it is. So I got the Brembos installed. All I need to do is do the dust covers. They're still not installed there. Didn't feel like drilling some cast iron, but that'll do off camera and whatnot. So if you guys would do me a favor and do your 60 to 0 times. I didn't record that before I did the Brembo swap, so my bad on that. Let me know in the comments, and I'll let you know what these new these Brembos do. I haven't done the back yet. Again, kicking myself. I didn't get the 2 calipers for that. I will in the future. I don't believe you have to do the spindle swap. We'll see. I'll shoot another video for that if you guys want to see it. So next up, we'll probably put it back on the rollers and see what the 6.4 intake and 6.4 cam do. Again, shooting for that 400 horsepower number. We'll see if it makes it. So you guys probably noticed I'm wearing Never Enough t-shirts. If you like them, check out the Teespring description below. And if you guys would do me a solid and like and subscribe, almost at 300 subscribers. You guys like seeing the mods I do on my car, and let me know what I should call it. It's definitely a lot of Scat parts on this car, so Scat clone Scat. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.